see if we get any viewers here. So it looks like we got 2 viewers over on YouTube. Again, we're doing a little test run today, guys, right? I know you guys said this morning you want some end-of-day recaps. Maybe like 5, 6 o'clock, jumping on YouTube Live, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, dropping some value bombs, education, answering some questions, reviewing stocks that you took for the day. Maybe you took a loss and you're like, hey, man, where did I go wrong with my loss? Anything like that. This is what these sessions are going to be for. So I'm pushing this live inside of our community. And I'm also doing this here, again, free over on YouTube as like a little end-of-day recap. So I'm just curious to see how many people we have showing up and see if this is even something that we should be doing. Yeah, over on TikTok. Yep, I went live this morning. Yep, live on TikTok around 8:15, 8:20. Live on YouTube from 9 to 9:30. And right now we're live once again over on YouTube. Again, just trying to see who all shows up, if we get any kind of engagement inside of the chat. So again, you guys get the screen, you get the commentary, the audio, everything like that over on YouTube, Alpha Day Trading. Again, everybody said they wanted to do this. So I'm here, 5 o'clock. I could be sipping down a margarita, eating some tacos on this beautiful Taco Tuesday. But I'm here with you guys. So what's up? What's up? And that goes for you guys inside of chat too. If we still have viewers inside of chat and you want to participate in this little end-of-day recap and ask some questions, let's go. So right now we got a whopping 2 viewers. Two viewers. So maybe 5 o'clock is too early. Maybe I need to start sending out some emails and stuff. Or promote it a little bit so people know to show up, right? So anyone have anything to say? Everybody's diving back in the chat. Everybody heard Josh's audio come back on, so everybody's back in the chat. I see that the viewer rate shooting on up quick. We had like 2 viewers and boom, 20. Everyone's like, I hear Josh. Oh, man. So, okay, so we're starting to get some people to show on up. Maybe 5 o'clock's too early, right? Maybe 5 o'clock's too early. Maybe we start planning these for around 6 o'clock. What's going on? Hello, hello, what's up? So again, this is just a test run. That's all this is. This is a little test run to see if, 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock or maybe even 7 o'clock works better for everybody that wanted to come in end of day. And again, do like a nice little Q&A session. Review the day, what we have going on. So we're just going to wait real quick and see if we get any more viewers that pop on in here in YouTube and on TikTok as well. But it looks like it may be just a little too early. So we'll definitely try this again tomorrow around 6, 7 o'clock and see if that's a better time for everybody. So yeah, right now definitely looks alert. I'll give it about 7 minutes, see if we get anybody to pile on in here and see if we get some engagement. But tomorrow, for those of you that are watching currently, tomorrow, Friday, most definitely on Fridays, we'll be doing these after market sessions. Again, reviewing the week on Fridays, kind of like what our small account looked like, how we did inside of chat, all of the data, kind of getting you guys, up to speed on, again, our progress during the small account challenge. And again, getting us prepared for the upcoming week. Again, nice Q&A session, dropping some value, dropping some lessons too. But I want to try and do it periodically during the week as well. Daniel, yo, what's up? I want to try and do this on Mondays and Wednesdays as well. Again, just trying to find that sweet spot time that works for everybody. Is it 6? Is it 7? Is anybody even going to show up? So, yo, what up, what up? But yes, I mean, if we have some viewers, it looks like we have, a whopping 10 people over on TikTok. We got 4 people over on YouTube. So, I mean, what happens to this morning live? I shut her down at 9:30, right? So I go live on YouTube, absolutely free for our pre-market commentary session, right? And at 9:30, my undivided attention goes to our members inside of chat. So from 9 to 9:30, you get a free live stream, breaking down the stocks that we're watching for the day, getting you guys prepared. 9:30, shut off. And then here, coming on up, periodically, I'm going to be doing like Monday and Wednesday aftermarket sessions, doing like recaps, Q&A, education. Trader King probably be hard to get many people after hours on Friday. Yeah, everybody wants to go out and get drunk, celebrate their weekend. So yeah, we're just going to kind of test the waters over the next couple weeks and see how many people really want to participate in this, right? I'm all about providing value. All about providing value, trying to make more people successful when it comes to trading. So, I mean, if there's a lot of people that want to take advantage of this, then we'll make it a habit and we'll do this pretty consistently during the week after the market closes, not just in the mornings. So right now, we could recap our day. You know, day 2 of the small account challenge. Another green day. Yesterday we went, was it 2 for 2? Yeah, yesterday we went 2 for 2 on our alerts. 2 small base hit trades to start the small account challenge off on the right foot. And then today we went 2 for 3. So we had a 66% win rate. Believe it or not, DLPN was a winner. DLPN was at a 2-to-1. It moved quick, it moved fast. Honestly, I thought it could go higher. I never locked in my profits. We were up $1 a share. Got stopped out pretty much around break even on DLPN. And it's crazy because the risk on that play was literally 20 cents. And we were at $1 a share within 5 minutes. And it just moved quick. I thought we had more momentum and more opportunity to the upside. And unfortunately, it didn't work out. So again, small little loss on the first trade of the small account. But again, I'm not going to let that get to our head, right? No, we got the rest of the day. It's bright and early. We have a lot of opportunity. So then we alerted, what was the first alert? Was it, it wasn't FLGC. It wasn't FLGC. I think we had one about 5 minutes before FLGC. That was WHLM. So we actually alerted WHLM. And I think nearly everybody inside of chat was able to get into WHLM, and everybody got in around the same price. So we saw a lot of, you know, like 690 entries, 710. So all right around the break of the downtrend, and this stock absolutely exceeded our expectations. I alerted this one at 710 for the entry, right? My stops were going to be at 680, and we had a high a day target. So we had a beautiful 2-to-1 setup here on WHLM, and look at that. With no issues, it absolutely rips and runs, and I think half of the members in chat were stuck in that hole. Half the members in chat were stuck in that hole over $8. So they locked in nearly over $1 per share on WHLM on that alert. And then moments later, we alerted FLGC. This is the one that I took. I didn't take WHLM. I took the FLGC trade. And I took the FLGC trade right here for that downtrend break. Right there. So I was making my entries right around 9:30, and I was taking profits up over $10 with a nice little 30-cent stop loss. So again, looking for 60, 70 cents a reward, risking about 25 to 30 cents. Great 2-to-1. Again, another solid winner there. WHLM was a 20% winner, and this was a solid 10%. And our loser, right? The loser on DLPN was only a 3.2% loser. So you look at out of the alerts, out of the 3 alerts, we went 2 for 3, 66% win rate. We had 30% ROI on the 2 winners. We had a 3% loser. So that's 25% combined ROI off those 3 trades. So, I mean, awesome day today. I mean, everybody was absolutely eating inside of chat. I mean, you saw some big time profits. Need to figure out how to actually drive and trade at the same time. That might be a little challenging, right? That may be a little challenging. Trying to drive and trade at the same time, that would throw me off. So yeah, so it looks like this is a little early. Looks like everybody's still at work, maybe driving home. We'll try this again tomorrow around 6, right? Tomorrow's Wednesday. We'll try this again tomorrow around 6 o'clock. And I'll make a couple videos right now here on TikTok and go ahead and post those and see if that creates some excitement and some anticipation, and we get people that are like, oh hey, I mean 6 o'clock, I need to tune into Alpha Day Trading stream over on YouTube for free, and see if we can't get some engagement here. So I Brown be here in the morning. Awesome stuff. Love to hear it. The #1 live stream on TikTok. The trades, phenomenal. I mean, absolutely crushed it today. We went 2 for 3, 66% win rate. We were just talking about the entries, the exits, the percentage gains. So out of those 3 trades, combined ROI from a percentage standpoint was about 25%. Everybody absolutely ate inside of chat. in on WHLM. Again, we were looking at 697, 710 entries. Some people taking profits at 770, 780, and a lot of people taking profit for a full dollar move to the upside. I mean, absolutely crushed it. I made $1,300 on my large account, so I'm still trading my large account. Made $1,300 there. Yesterday, I was able to lock in, I think it was a $500 winner yesterday. So I'm up about $1,800 in the first 2 days of the month on my main account, and I'm not really focused on it, right? I'm barely trading it. I took 3 trades today. Yesterday, I took 3 trades as well, so I really didn't have any big winners or any crazy trades, right? Like trading a lot or anything like that. Yesterday, small account base hit, $25. Today, small account base hit, $20, right? We're starting with $200 to $300 of capital per trade. And so far, we're absolutely eating, right? So far, we're actually, right around that 5 to 10% growth, return on investment. Sheesh. It's chat free. No, it's not. Daniel. I do free streams in the morning, but chat for the monthly is $119. If you do yearly, it's like $84. So you get it like, what is that? Almost $40 less. So I mean, you get a great 30% discount doing the yearly. Look at Sammy, made $150 off your morning live. You're awesome. Last week on BTBT. Hell yeah, Sammy, that's awesome. I've gotten a lot of emails over the past couple weeks from a lot of just people that are tuning into the live stream. Like so many, like, dude, thank you so much for the live stream in the morning. Keeping it open a little bit, giving us some alerts, some credible plays. I mean, someone made like $5,000. We had some, $1,000, $500 days, and people saying, hey, like I almost gave up trading, but you kind of reboosted my confidence. And, I definitely think I can make this, trading a reality. And it's like awesome to see that someone came into the stream, they were thinking about quitting, and just kind of being in the stream and seeing how things play out and kind of reboosting their confidence so they stay in the game is just awesome. So yeah, like Sammy making $150 on a live stream last week on BTBT. Good stuff. Good stuff. There was only one negative comment I've seen in the last 4 months of doing this, 3 months of doing this. There was only one negative comment that I've seen from an individual that lost money. And that was a trade that I never took. We were analyzing it, and I don't think they had a stop loss. They didn't have a stop. And I was like, okay, so you needed to have a stop and you needed to properly assess your size. And, I was a little combative with him on YouTube because he just blamed me. Like, I took your trade and I lost all this money. I'm just like, well, number one, why did you take that much size? Why did you let it go that far? Did you not have a stop loss? Did you not have a plan? I never took the trade. So why did you take the trade in the first place? You got to take responsibility for your actions, right? You can't just throw $5,000 or 5,000 shares into a stock, and if it goes against you and you have no plan, blame it on somebody else. You got to, take responsibility for what you do. And they were like, yeah, I get it. I never had a stop loss. Basically what they said, I didn't have a stop loss. That's on me. I didn't mean to be like a dick or anything about it, but I was just like straight to the point. I was like, you got to have a plan, right? It seems like you didn't have a plan. You want to blame me for your lack of preparation. It's like, yeah, I didn't have a plan. I didn't have a stop. So, I mean, again, where I'm going, I don't even know where I'm going with that. Again, we haven't had any negative comments, right? No one's really losing money. People are coming in, and I'm just seeing green, 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 green. It's crazy. How do you join your chat? I tried last week, but it said it was full error. No, you should be good. Sammy, you should be good. You go to the website, and you just go to join the team. You pick a plan that you want, and you sign up, and that gives you immediate access to chat. Did you see my post this morning? I was watching another live stock guy, and I heard your intro. He was watching your show. Who? So someone was tapped in, running their own stream? Is that what I'm hearing? That someone was pushing their own stream, but they were tapped into mine? Wow, that's crazy. That means I'm pushing a lot of value. People want to take my value and repurpose it. As long as it's helping people, that's fine. That's crazy. He's saying that he was watching someone else's live trade stream, and then here's my intro in the background on their stream. Who was it? Do you remember who it was? I'm curious. If it's Cole with Stock Talk Trades, that's cool. Cole's a part of the team. If it was anybody else, I'm just curious to know who it was. But no, I didn't see that post. Yes, Amy, definitely try again. We have been having some server issues. Whoever hosts our website, we have been having some issues lately. So we're working on debugging that right now. And actually, I just got a message as we're speaking. Oh wow, that's a quick that's a long response. I'll have to get back to that. So that, Sammy, what I was getting, that's could have been the issue. Anytime we have a lot of users in chat at the same time and we peak, like today we had like 50 concurrent people all at the same time logged in, we had a small little bug in the back end of our site that was requesting too much information from our server, and it was overloading our server and causing it to crash, right? So we were having some downtime with the server. So that could have been the issue that you were experiencing during that peak time. The page probably just wasn't loading because my server was just too tied up. So we're working on getting a fix for that for tonight into tomorrow. I'm new. What plan do you use? What do you mean, what plan? When I say plans, I mean building a trade plan before executing a trade. You cannot blindly go into a play. You can't just, I'm going to buy here. You have to have a target where you want to take profit, right? You have to have a stop loss to where if the stock comes down to that price, you will cut your loss and walk away from the trade. You have to be able to assess how many shares that you want to buy of a stock, right? To not exceed a certain dollar amount loss that's correlated to your account size, right? So, I mean, when we build plans, there's a structure and there's a way to build a trade plan properly so you don't blow up your account. So you don't take too much size. So you're not just buying at $9 for any given reason. You got to have a plan. You got to have an entry. You have to have an exit, right? First target, second target, third target, stop loss. If I hit first target, I'll bring stops to break even. Right at risk free. If I hit second target, I'll take another half, bring my stops up again, right? Everybody has a plan. You got to have a plan before you execute trades. If you don't have a plan, you won't make it. You won't. I'm going to be blunt. I never had a plan my first 3 years and I wasn't making it. I just blindly executed trades for no reason. Is it too late to join your small account challenge? I made an exception. We have 7 slots available. So registration's still open. And the only reason I didn't close it down is because I don't want to prevent anybody from really learning. I don't want to prevent anybody from learning, but we're still capping at the 100. And we have 7 slots available right now. So registration's still open. You can still sign up. But as soon as we hit 100, it's done. Until first of the year. And 2 days back-to-back winners. Crazy stuff. 2 for 2 yesterday, 2 for 3 today. Everybody in chat on their small accounts. So far, so good. All right. So while you guys are asking questions, I'm going to shut down the stream here on YouTube. You guys are good inside of chat. You guys still get the scanners and screeners, but we're not getting a lot of viewers here over on YouTube. So I'll time this better for tomorrow, and we'll try maybe like a 6:30 on YouTube Live for a little end-of-day recap. So let's go ahead and shut that down because